Hey guys, and welcome back to Beauty by Bridget. I'm Bridget, and this is my channel. You can find me here on YouTube, on Instagram at _beauty_by_Bridget_, on Twitter at BridgetBBeauty, and on TikTok at beauty_by_Bridget. So if you have been watching Beauty by Bridget for any length of time before this video, you will probably remember that my very first video was doing a Taylor Swift inspired look, specifically based on the song Cardigan and the music video that goes with it. And I said that I was gonna make it a series. Then it was Halloween. And now here we are continuing the series. Today, we will be doing a makeup look inspired by the song Lover by Taylor Swift, as well as the album art and the video. So there will be pieces of all of those different things combined to make one big Lover look. So the album art is this pretty blue and pink, and then she is wearing this lovely makeup look. It's very simple, it's very plain, but it has a fun twist, and it has a little heart around one of her eyes. You can kind of see it a little bit better maybe on the back. I'm going to be doing a glitter heart on one of my eyes, but because this is a makeup channel and I wanted to do something a little more than just a base and a pink heart, I thought it would be fun if we did an eyeshadow look based on the colors on the front of the album. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get started. So we're going to start with our eyes now. We are going to first do a light pink shade all over because the pink is going to be what we're blending into, if that makes sense. That's more of the clouds, and the blue will be the deeper tone. So the blue will need to be in our crease and outer V because that's the darker shade. I'm going to do one eye at a time so that I can plan out what I'm going to do on the one eye and then replicate it on the other.
Remember when we were watching the Renaissance live stream and they kept saying like there would be weeks where all of their videos were like, and they kept saying like, oops, all bangers. That's what I feel like the Lover album is for me. All the songs, I'm like, yeah, like, and there are no skips. Oops, all bangers.
Yeah, no, Lover was exactly what I needed when I needed it. Like, basically I have an era of my life associated with each album, and so Lover was very much I've graduated college and I'm starting being an adult album, and so it is definitely an Oops All Bangers album for me, but I honestly think that they're all Oops All Bangers albums.
Yeah, I know. This is me talking to a Taylor Swift super fan. I just really liked Lover. It like got me to look at Taylor Swift again and be like, oh, okay. You know? I just really liked it.
I ain't never stopped looking.
I know. You are looking.
Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker pink, a little more focused down toward my lid area so that it's a gradient blend out, and so the pink shows up a little bit more.
What do we want for dinner?
The pork bowls, if I was to give a suggestion.
Just HelloFresh things. Please sponsor me.
Yo, HelloFresh. We eat you basically every night of the week.
Every meal that's a real meal that I eat is HelloFresh. Now I'm going to go in with a lighter tone, more pastel blue shade, and do that in my crease and part of my outer V, and then I'll go in with a little bit of a deeper blue after that. When you blend blue and pink, it's gonna make purple, so if there's a little bit of a purple tint, that's okay. There's purple tints on the album cover because it's just blues and pinks mixing together, so don't worry if it gets super purple. You can always intensify by packing the color on rather than just blending it out, so don't worry. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be pretty no matter what. I don't know what that was. I'm gonna go back in with that lighter shade and re-intensify it because I think I liked that one a little bit better. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more pink just so we can see a little bit more of it, and then we'll move on to some shimmers. I'll probably do the other eye off camera just to save time. I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and then we'll be back to do some shimmer on the lid. Okay, we're back, and I went on ahead and did my other eye and also my lower lash line. I just did that light blue on the outside and the light pink on the inside. And now we're going to do some shimmer. Because I want this to be a really sparkly, really dramatic look to go with the glitter heart, I'm not going to actually use an eyeshadow. I'm going to use a highlighter on my lid, and I'm going to apply that with my finger. The highlighter I'm using is a Jeffree Star highlighter, and it's just the most sparkly blinding highlighter I have, so just use the most sparkly blinding highlighter that you have. When it looks exactly how you want it to, that doesn't happen to me often, so... Loud.
They were jamming. We all been there.
We've been there. We've been there with Lover. So I'm gonna carry that into my inner corner because I'm not gonna get anything more shimmery than this. I'm gonna do this same thing to my other eye off camera, and then we'll be back to start our heart. So now that our eyes are all complete, we're gonna move on to our heart. So I'm gonna be doing this using a pink liquid lipstick and a little eyeliner pointy brush, but you can use a paintbrush if you don't have a brush that's this small and skinny. I will be doing the heart around my right eye, so if you're looking at it, it's on the left. And I'm gonna start with the inner part because I feel like that's gonna be the more difficult part, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty confident I can draw a heart, but we'll see. So I want the tip to be like here, and so above that should be the like, it's like here.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's just connect the dots, but not straight. I love the like shock when I can do one curved line. And now we thicken it, but not like thicker. We just go over it and make it look a little bit prettier. And now it's time for glitter, my favorite part. After a little bit of experimentation, I figured out a way that I can get the glitter how I want it. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking my glitter shade, which is a pressed glitter, and I'm taking the stick part of my brush and I'm scraping it up a little bit and then putting it on so it's thicker and less just shimmery, more opaque than it would have been if I had just used a brush or my finger. Is this using up a lot of my pink glitter? Yes. Am I gonna order more? Yeah. Now our heart is all complete. So I'm gonna go off camera and do lashes and lips and some final touches, and then I will see you in the glamour shots. And this is the completed Lover look. It turned out better than I could have imagined. I'm really impressed with how well this turned out, and I love it. Thank you so much for being patient on this Taylor Swift series. You're probably gonna have to wait till after the next couple of holidays to get another one, but I promise it will be a series because I love it and love Taylor Swift, and I just want to do it, so I will. Before we end this video, if you guys could go on ahead and subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. A lot of people don't realize how easy it is to subscribe, but if you're watching this video, odds are you have a YouTube account and you just don't realize it. It comes if you have a Google account because YouTube and Google are linked. So all you have to do is press where it says subscribe below the video, and then you'll be signed up to see my content as soon as it comes out, and that would also help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I love doing this for fun, and it really is fun for me, but I would also love to turn this into a business and something that I could make a living off of eventually. And the first step to that is getting 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe. And also, leave a comment. That helps other people to see so that they can subscribe as well. And it also just wouldn't hurt you to like the video. It's right next to the subscribe button. It's just a little thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see all you beautiful people in the next one. Just video things. I'm a YouTuber, if you didn't know.